Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons can now connect to iPhones thanks to iOS's support for Bluetooth game controllers. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to pair your Joy-Cons to your iPhone step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Detach your Joy-Cons. Get your Switch. Then slide both Joy-Cons off your Nintendo Switch by holding the small black button on the back and sliding them upward. This puts them into Bluetooth pairing mode more easily. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Get your iPhone at hand. Unlock it and open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Stay on this page and you'll need it for pairing. Step 3. Put the Joy-Con in pairing mode. On the Joy-Con, find the small round sync button in the middle of the inner rail. Press and hold that sync button for a few seconds. You'll see the LED lights on the side start blinking. This means it's in pairing mode. Step 4. Pair Joy-Con to iPhone. On your iPhone, under Other Devices, look for a device named Joy-Con L or Joy-Con R, depending on which one you're connecting. Tap it to pair. Once it connects, the Joy-Con will appear under My Devices and say Connected. Repeat this process for the second Joy-Con if you want to use both. Just a note though, iOS treats each Joy-Con as a separate controller, not a full combined one. This works best for games that support single Joy-Con input or retro-style games. And that's how you basically connect your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons to any iPhone. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Nintendo and iPhone guides just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.